Hi guys, I am here at around the Science Park. This is the walking area outside. Soon to be open Science Park here in Riyadh. Bin Othman Road, guys. This is my brother wife. We go together here every time we have a chance to go walk, jogging. We go every time here this place because this is near on us. Yan. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I put a face mask because a little bit dusty here. Oh my God, here it is. Did you see that? There's a little, no, not little, it's a big ice. You see that, guys? Oh my gosh. Here's the main gate of the, ito pa isa, guys. It's like a spacecraft. You see that? And here, there's the big eyes.
Pasok si Angela. Hoy. Saan sila?
We are going back home, guys. Pabalik na kami. And as this is the, I'll show you guys the station here. This is the Ministry of Education station. Yan. Yan. Ministry of Education station. And this is a blue lane. Yan, guys. I think now they are closed. Oh my God. Pauwi na kami. You see that? Ang ganda. Napakaganda niya. on my next video. See you on my next vlog.